Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Fountain Hills, Arizona, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home, and this time we have a model by Toll Brothers. Now, starting on the exterior, family, you do have the suede stucco, the brick, and the wood look tile cladding. Over there to the left, you do have a spacious three-car garage. You do have the frosted privacy glass for that modern flair. Over there to the left, you do have another model home. If you recall, I showcased that about 9 months ago, and you folks love that. So since we're out here again, I'll go ahead and get you inside of here. You have the limestone steps continuing to the walkway, and then look at the fountain feature. Love this. So imagine hanging out here in the covered front porch with your loved ones, and this is exactly what you see. Beautiful. Of course, you have the desert landscaping, extremely spacious here. Beautiful. Now over here to the left, you have your steel front door with the glass panes, keep it in line with that modern aesthetic. But let's go ahead and get you inside. Okay. So right when you walk into the foyer, you're greeted to 10-foot ceilings. Don't worry, it gets extremely expansive as we head to the great room. I'll go ahead and show you the front door from the inside. And let's go ahead and work our way around. Now this would be coming in from your three-car garage. Got your powder bath here. Look at the flat panel cabinet fronts. You see the wallpaper, the pendant lights, and the tile floors. Now the garage is locked, or else I would have gotten you out there. But look at this, perfect laundry room, wall to wall, custom cabinetry, under cabinet lighting. You have a farmhouse sink. Look how sleek and modern it is. Now, of course, it is a model home. A lot of upgrades in here, but really you can make it as is. Plenty of space for the oversized washer and dryer. If you didn't want the pedestals, you can certainly add a folding counter, or gosh, you can put a folding counter there and just have a step stool for your convenience. So depending on your preference. Got a nice storage closet here too. Love this floor to ceiling window here, family, overlooking that porch area. Okay, now let's go ahead and do a full pan and we'll tackle the great room together. Wow, 15-foot ceilings, beautiful chandeliers there, floor to ceiling, linear fireplace, of course. Look at the built-ins here to the left. That contemporary look. But see how open and inviting it is. You got the open concept dining area, and that transitions you to the kitchen. So plenty of space to accommodate a large gathering. You know, I always talk about that. Imagine all of the family hanging out here, relaxing. You have these sliders open so folks can get in and out with ease, and everyone is enjoying each other's company. Now you see, it feels extremely expansive again. Love this. Now some folks prefer the formal dining area, maybe the breakfast nook, but there's a few floor plans you can choose from that you may like. Okay, now taking a look at the kitchen. Massive pendant lights right above your oversized island. You have storage all along there. You see the flat panel, dark stained cabinet and drawer fronts. You'll notice a lot of chrome throughout here. Got the stainless steel appliances. Wow. So let's go ahead and open up the refrigerator before we continue. Ton of space. And let's open up the rest of the drawers. So you have two-tone quartz counters. The quartz extends up the backsplash. You don't have a pot filler. I know how my audience feels about the pot filler, so you can always add that. 6-burner range with the griddle. You even have stacked cabinets right above. Look at that. So Wolf and Sub-Zero, some of the best money can buy, of course. Look at that. So you got your microwave, your coffee system, your sink overlooking the great room and dining area. And then you have a prep sink overlooking the backyard. You want to wash off the wine glasses, you can do so. Got a wine fridge right underneath. And this door slides open so you can pass food from the backyard, the grill, and you are good to go. Stainless steel vent hood. And then here is your pantry. So I know a lot of my audience really want to see the one-story properties. The one next door, it has a basement. So I'll make sure to link that in the description if you want to check that out. But this one's going to have 3 bedrooms. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. Hopefully you've seen enough of the kitchen. This one was staged as an office, but it is a bedroom. Look at the room that you have in here. Your built-ins there, perfect for your memorabilia. You can have additional drawers and the LED lighting. This is actually a sliding door, so you can open this up and head right outside. But you see the room that you have, soaring ceilings. Look at the ceiling treatment there, even the built-in speakers. Got a nice bar area here too. So if you want to fix yourself a cocktail, and this is staged as an office, then you are good to go. Let me show you the closet first. Got the hardwood floors throughout. And then your ensuite. Now you don't have hinges on the doors. My long-term subscribers understand why, but if you're new to the channel, it's because it is a model home. Toll Brothers, they take the door off the hinges for ease of access, which definitely makes a lot of sense. Spacious walk-in shower there. And you got your adjustable mirror too. So you have additional built-ins here to the left. Coat closet to the right. Next bedroom. So you notice here you have the 10-foot ceilings, but inside of the other bedroom, you have the 14-foot ceilings. So this doesn't get a walk-in closet per se. I mean, gosh, again, take one step in there, so. But it definitely has enough room. And of course, the ensuite. So you got the quartz again, flat panel custom cabinet fronts, and then your walk-in shower. That shower surround really complements the chrome. You see that? So it's always fascinating. Let's say, for instance, you have the rain shower head there, and then you wonder why the knob is on this side. Well, instead of having to go underneath to turn it off, you have a more conveniently located knob here, or valve. Let me know what you think. And these are sliders as well. So you can open these up, the ones that lead to the backyard as well, and have that indoor, outdoor living. Okay, now let's transition to the primary bedroom. So you have a quick access door to the right. Look at this cosmetic vanity. Right over here, you get all of the natural light that you need. Got natural stone for your countertops and accent wall right back there. And look at this. So of course you have your king size bed, your 2 nightstands, you have built-ins to the right. You have a nice built-in section to the left as well. You can use that for maybe your socks and your underwear for ease of access. You got additional sliders here to get you to the backyard. And look at that incredible view. You can already see it here. Of course, we'll see the backyard at the end. Nice oversized picture window too. So really just a breath of fresh air. The tile accent wall back there. Lovely, extremely spacious. Now, this is a dual entry ensuite, family. I'll show you this section and we'll come out the other side and it'll come full circle for you. Look at this. Love how it feels extremely private. You have the stacked stone accent wall, the freestanding tub there, so you can soak, de-stress, and enjoy your evening. Get your water closet over here to the right. But look at the depth inside of there. So taking a look at the vanity, got your dual sinks, your pendant lights, the same tile backsplash, and then the custom cabinetry we've been seeing throughout the entire tour. Now looking over here, rain shower head. You see that you got your shower bench, even your shower niche, and then you got your dry area over here. So let's say you just grab the towel, you don't want to step out and get all the water everywhere, dry off inside of the shower, and you are good to go. You know, I've gotten a comment or two about saying good to go quite a bit. That was from my Air Force days. It's been some time, but I still have the tendency to say some of the things that I said in the military. So good to go was definitely one of those. We'd say Roger here and there, but some of the things I've forgotten. Glass panes in the cabinet fronts, plenty of storage available. And then to compensate, they also have the additional built-in. So hopefully this is enough space for you. If you need the his and hers closets, you can choose from a different plan, or if you need a bigger closet, then you can do the same. This is for all of your accessories. You see the hardwood floors really matching that dark stain here, so it goes well together. And this will bring you right back out. Outstanding. So let me go ahead and show you what your view would be from here. So these slide open with ease. Let me open this up for you. I'll show you what it would look like. Look at that. So extremely convenient. You walk right out here and this is your incredible view. Absolutely exquisite. You got the waterfall edge, you got your pool and your spa to relax and enjoy yourself. Even right down here. Look at that. Sit and relax, your modern pergola. And I can only imagine how this looks at night. Got your pool edge too. And that's on this side. So you walk down a couple of steps, relax and enjoy your pool, your view. And then you got your covered back patio. Quick access to the right to get you to the primary bedroom. Now remember, you have the sliding glass window to pass things through towards the kitchen. You have your quartzite counters, refrigeration, and look at this. A completely insulated ice bin. So you can toss your cold drinks in there for your convenience and you are good to go. Now you have your turf here. Look at the limestone, the incredible views again. And then over here, you got your built-in grill, your sink. You can watch your favorite movie or sports shows. This is the perfect time to do it. So if you want to transition your guests from inside out here, I certainly wouldn't blame you. And then you have the shade to keep you from burning too much from that Arizona sun. And look at the incredible views. It even goes down there a bit and it wraps around over there. Incredible. And then let's not forget about the patio. Look at the space. Imagine opening those sliding doors up. I tell you, this is a great day to do so. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, folks, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Fountain Hills, Arizona. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this something you can see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, please let me know below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.